for anti-racist, inclusive college student recruitment? How can admissions offices change their practices to be anti-racist?
So I would urge folks to go right down the road if you have a major athletic program at your university and ask them how they go about recruiting the top black athletes, even though in your mind there's only a few. And they'll tell you exactly how they do it. And you can mirror precisely how they're doing it. Now, hopefully, you'll get the amount of resources that they receive, the number of people that they receive that can actually go out into the field and recruit black and brown and native kids. But at the end of the day, it is striking to me that any college on the athletic side, there's an expectation of recruitment, and coaches will be fired if they don't recruit. But then on the academic side, it's, well, they're not qualified, they didn't want to come here, there's not enough of them. There's always an excuse, and there's always an underfunding.